professors expect so much from you as if you are getting paid full time. You're not getting paid full time, so don't be up there doing full-time work. What's up, y'all? It's Kay here, back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be going over TA-ship. TA-ship, I've been a biology TA for about a year and a half. In order to be a TA, you must be a graduate student. I graduated with Agriculture Education Professional Service Masters in December 2020. I have enrolled back into a second master's. I ain't alert y'all, I was gonna do a whole nother video about that, but that is why I'm still a TA. I decided to go back into school to get another master's. Lifelong learning is where it's at. In the past, I have done Biology 100. Biology 100 is basically just a basic biology that everybody must take in order to graduate. It's just a general ed. Now I'm doing Biology 300. Biology 300 is a core class for biology majors. 300 and up is usually whatever major. So if you're in psychology and you're taking a 300 level or 400 level, you're either junior or senior. So 300 and 400 levels are upper level classes for classification. Just like if you're in graduate school, 600 and 700 level is graduate level. My experience with Biology 300 has been very interesting because in the beginning of the semester I had a challenging time because I was brought on late because I decided to go to school late. And being that I was brought on late, classes were already in session and students had already had labs. We work more hands-on with the professors.
And like for each problem, they were asked to identify how many genes are involved, how many alleles are involved, the symbols for genotype and phenotypes, the genotypes of the parents, the possible gametes that each parent produces, the Punnett square, and then the percentage, phenotype percentages or ratio of the offspring.
Being that their students are majors, they want to make sure that their students are getting everything they need from you as their TA because they come to you for a lot of different things. 300 level, all of the basics are still the same. When you are a TA, you want to make sure that you and the professor get on the same page ASAP. You don't want to wait until the middle semester or allow them to keep changing instructions on you. You want to know how they want to grade. You want to know how you should give feedback. You want to know all of these things because if not, they would try to change stuff on you each week. It's a lot of work on you when you have your own schoolwork to do. You're juggling schoolwork, you're juggling work, TA-ship, and if you have another job, you're juggling that as well because TA, you don't get paid that much. We're going to get into that in another video. But yes, so you want to make sure that you get clear instruction from your professors. Don't allow them to put too much on you because the TA-ship should not feel like you're in a doctoral. TA is for you to get experience and for you to be able to put it on your resume and ultimately for you to be able to learn. It's still a learning experience for you because you are still a student. Some of these professors expect so much from you as if you are getting paid full time. You're not getting paid full time, so don't be up there doing full-time work. Allow them to do the full-time work and you assist them. That's what you're here for. You let them know how you feel you can better assist the students if you don't feel that things are going so well. When I first started TAing, I would use a grading book to grade and keep up with grades. Now I have that book planted in my mind. So I have the list of students on one side of my mind and then of course their grades this side. So I don't waste so much time writing it down because that's time consuming. You want to make sure that you are doing it efficiently but accurately. So, and that is very possible for you to do so. So now what I do is I just basically go through each assignment, each student. Of course, I don't keep track of it because these are not my students. It takes a lot on you when you don't. Blackboard or whatever portal that you guys use keeps good track of your grades. You don't have to do it fitful because that is time consuming. I mean, I feel so much better that I know how to like prioritize my time with TA-ship because TA-ship can be very draining if you don't know how to work that thing. You understand what I'm saying? So you want to make sure that you are having fun. It's supposed to be a fun experience. It's not supposed to be so stressful and all of that. It's supposed to be fun. Make sure you are having fun. Make sure you have fun with the students and tell the professors what's up. Tell them like, nah, this is not right. This is not right. If you are not a major, like my background is biology and math. That's why I TA for the biology department. You want to TA for a department that you are familiar with. You understand? So if you're a psychology background, see about the psychology department, see if they need TAs. If you are a criminal justice background, see if criminal justice need TAs. Professors always need help. What I do as far as grading is, being that I'm teaching 300 level, I want to make sure the students are getting the best help possible. So I go through and I grade any questions that I have as far as an assignment. I make sure while I'm grading, I keep notes of it, and then I put it in the feedback comment box to the side. When you're grading, it's a comment box to the side that is for feedback for the learner. I make sure that I put feedback for the professor, put it on save mode, and then allow the professor to finalize the grade. That alleviates, that cuts out confusion for me, for the student, and for the professor. I found it very beneficial to leave the comment on the side, put it on save mode, and then let the professor put the grade in. Or else they're gonna blame you. The student's gonna blame you at the end of the semester, or the professor is gonna blame you at the end of the semester. You do not wanna be the scapegoat. Don't let them be the scapegoat. Make them do their job. You're the assist, and assist only. We are still online. My TA-ship has started being online last year, and I love it. I don't have to go to the school for anything. I communicate with the students through email, if needed, through Zoom, and it's like so great. I can it's been a great experience being able to be home, get them coins coming in, and record for you guys and do my schoolwork. It's been a very awesome time being able to balance them all and still, like I said, get coins in. So far as me, like, the TA-ship is online, lab is still online, they meet online, and being that they meet online, me as the TA, I call in. So I go on Zoom when they have class, see if anybody needs help. That is their time to ask any questions about grades. That way they still have face-to-face interaction. You know, it's been very challenging not being able to be in the classroom, because that's one of the best parts about the job, that you get to interact with the students. You get to ask, you know, help them outside of school, because when they come to you, students they're new to college. So just because they may have you for one particular class, they still need help navigating the college life. So you get a lot of different questions, and they get to fill you out spiritually, and you get to fill them out spiritually. And it's just been an awesome time, and being online takes away all of that. But I still try to make the best of it, and it's been crazy. It's been crazy, amazing, good. For 3 different professors, all for genetics, 366, and we meet every Friday. We have a meeting every Friday. Do I want to do it? No, I don't want to do it. But I like that because that gives me time to ask them questions. If I'm on campus, I'm going to go to their office. Where we're all at home, Friday gives me the time to get on the same page, ask any questions I need to ask if I, you know, am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong? You're able to cut all the confusion out before it gets to chaos. Chaos is crazy. You don't want it to get to chaos. So the Friday meetings is my opportunity to ask them questions, to ask them, to any students, ask them questions about what I have done and on their work. And also, they ask me a whole lot of stuff on Friday. Friday, they want to know this, they want to know that, and it's like, but it's been also an awesome experience because they all have doctorate degrees, and they're all women, and it's just women empowerment. Like, you're in a room with someone who has a doctoral degree. You're in a room with someone successful. You want to be around people that has something going on. You don't want to be around people that don't got nothing going on, because the saying says you either gonna bring them up or they're gonna bring you down. And that could be for them. If you hanging around somebody, they either gonna bring you up or they're gonna bring you down. So it's important to be around positive people. It's important to be around people who's doing something with themselves. It's important to be around people that inspire to be somebody. You don't want to be around no nobodies. Like, that's a lame, okay? So if you have any other questions about TA-ship, next video I'm gonna make is how much I made through my TA-ship, and I will see you guys on the next talk. Bye-bye.